Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my home. Hey guys, it's Mackenzie McKee here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel as requested by a bunch of you. Everyone wants me to do a house tour of my house. Want to know where me and Josh live, what our house looks like all throughout the inside. So I am finally doing a house tour. Me and Josh have been married for 5 years and have lived in 7 different houses together since we've been married. 7 different houses. And this is our first house that we have purchased. I know a lot of you know that we completely remodeled a big red house the last 2 years of our life. And when we got to the end, we were rent to owning. We remodeled it. When we got to the end, we realized this is not the house for us. We found some things on the outside that were wrong. And within 20 days, we went and found a house, closed on the loan, and moved in. So this is our first home that we have in our name that is purchased, that is ours, that we bought. And it's just a perfect home for us, and I'm excited to show you guys it. Our next step, next time we do a home tour, we want to buy land and buy either a farmhouse or build. So that's kind of just our next step. But until then, we are here. It is down the road from my mom's house, so it works perfect for us. And this is where we belong for the time being. This is where the Body by Mac business runs. It's where Josh's shop is out in the garage where his business runs and where our kids stay. And let's go. Come on. Let's go see the house. Come on, come on. Coming inside, here is my entryway. It's really a fun little place to just sit and look at the family photos and eat, drink coffee. It's a cute little area. And here is one of our living rooms. Leads into the back porch and the backyard, which the kids play out here, so it's nothing fun to show you guys. Okay, let's go down the hallway. Here's some cute decorations. I really love interior design. So as you can see, there's a lot of closets, which we really like. This is my art closet. This is the kids' closet. And this is Josh's favorite part of the house. Cowboy closet. Cowboy / camo closet. And get into our bedroom. I love pictures in a bedroom to show the love. See, love. I made that "you will forever be my always" sign. Here's my favorite part of the bedroom, the kettlebell. What sold me on the house is our closet. So lots of space. As you can see, I cannot buy a home, hi guys, that doesn't have a shoe closet. And going into our bathroom. coming out of our bedroom, we will go back into the hallway. We have the kids' bathroom. As you can tell, it's definitely the children's bathroom. Out of the bathroom, coming into Jaxie's room. Closing up her room, going to the boys' room. I made them these cute letters, and here is Gan inside of the room. And I love, this is my favorite thing hanging in the room because it's like a mama and her two cowboys. I made all these signs. Here's our hallway decoration. Can you say hi? And let's go into the kitchen. Coming into our kitchen. And apparently this is a laptop slash coffee bar. And coming out of the kitchen is our living room. Oh, hi Hank. And Hank. Hi, Hank. Coming out of the kitchen, let's go into the other side of the house. This is, you can walk in here, it's like a mud room area that leads to this back end of the house. This is all storage. Me and Josh really want to knock it out. We think it's kind of stupid, but here is my living room. Not the cutest thing, but it is a nice big area to do your laundry. Me and Josh jokingly call this the dog's bathroom because when we give him a shower, it's in here. So now we go into the Body by Mac office slash guest bedroom. Here is my office, where this is where the raw and unfiltered podcast show goes. There's my desk. When guests come over, this is where we stick them. Oh, there's Hank again. And coming back down this hallway is you come out of here. I think Hank wants to go out. And that goes into our garage. It is nighttime now, but it's a detached garage, and that's basically where Josh's shop is. So there you have it. Okay, love you guys. Thanks for watching.